Hey you guys, welcome back to Alecia at Home. I am Alecia. Today I decided to bring you guys along with me as I decorate and clean my formal dining room for Christmas. This year I went with the red and green theme just because I was in the traditional theme feeling of Christmas. So if you think about traditional Christmas, you know you're going to see poinsettias and snow and red and green and silvers and gold. So that's definitely what I'm going for this year. If you like this type of video, definitely stay tuned. If you're new or returning to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you would, just please leave me a comment down below and let me know you're watching. Let me know what you like best about this video as well. If you would also be so kind to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the little notification bell so that you can be notified next time I do post, I would really appreciate it, you guys. It will help my channel to continue to grow. So starting out, I like to go in with my Swiffer duster and just get all old dust and debris off of my table and hutch and off of my chairs, just so that when I use my spray, I don't have a bunch of substances just spreading around everywhere. So that's a tip, just to dust off everything before you use your disinfectant sprays. It'll make it clean up much more easier. So as you guys can see, I initially wanted to put the wreaths on the wall by themselves, but it just looked small from far away. So what I did was I used my original portraits that I had on the wall and I attached the wreaths to the front of them with some glitter ribbon, and I think that it just looks so much better that way. It gave a bigger and more grander look. What do you guys think? So what I'm using for my snow this year on my table is actually a throw, and I purchased it from Amazon about 2 years ago, and it was super small, so it wasn't the size throw that I wanted. It actually reminded me of like a faux bear rug or something like that, and I thought it was just perfect for this centerpiece. If you had a chance to check out my previous Christmas decor haul, from some items that I picked up from Michael's, you would have noticed that I picked up these ornaments. I was originally going to use them on my wreath for outdoors, but I thought they looked great in the center of the table. These are some mini ornaments, and they were actually like $3 a piece, so they were a great deal. it, you guys. We're finished with all of the decor and I love it. It came out just like I thought it would. The traditional Christmas with the reds and the greens, and I hope that you enjoyed this video as well. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy holidays to you and your family. Stay safe, stay blessed.